everyone, I'm excited to introduce my brand new preset pack, Pedal Suite. This pack is a digital emulation of all of my favorite pedals, the kind of gear that would cost you hundreds if not thousands of dollars to own in real life. I figured why not recreate these sounds with the HX Stomp so you have them all in one pedal. Let's take a listen to what we have. The first preset is Muff 2 Ways. This preset captures the essence of two legendary fuzzes, the Big Muff Pi and the Russian Muff. Whether you want an all-out wall of fuzz or a smoother, darker, fuzzy tone, this preset has you covered. Next up, we have some OC2 emulation. This one features the classic no direct level subby sound on foot switch 1 and then a parallel blended octave on foot switch 2. Let's take a listen. Up next is Session Sauce. This is your go-to clean tone. This features an 1176 style compressor run in series with an LA2A style compressor. This is all run into the Regal DI, which is an emulation of the Noble DI. Let's take a listen. Up next, we have the Brassmaster. This is a tribute to the iconic Maestro Brassmaster pedal. This gives you a synth-like character all within a fuzz. Let's check it out. Next up, we have the MXR bass envelope filter. Lastly, we have a combo patch, the MXR bass envelope filter run in conjunction with the OC2 for some synthy, funky sounds. Let's take a listen.